evening, and many thanks for joining us on LTN Property Show that comes on Lolo TV every Saturday at 6:30 p.m. with me, Sharon Ongao. Today, we're featuring Siaya Apartments that's located in Kileleshwa, and I have Realty Boris with us on set. And Realty, by the way, is not new to us. Maybe Realty, you can introduce yourself to our viewers who will be watching you for the first time.
Oh, wow. I go by the name Realty Boris, and I sell contemporary houses in Lavington, Kilimani, Kileleshwa, Runda, Kitsuru, Karen, and all those upmarket areas. Yes, so that's what I do. So in case they want to buy, they can just reach me. Yes.
All right, so today we'll be featuring Siaya Apartments.
We are featuring Siaya Park.
Siaya Park
Apartments, yes. Yes.
Location?
It's located in Kileleshwa, just off Oloitoktok and just adjacent to Kangundo Road. So it's in between Kangundo and Oloitoktok Road. Yes.
All right, so let's just start featuring these apartments. Let's talk about Siaya Garden Apartments when the groundbreaking started.
2018.
Really?
The first quarter of 2018. And right now we're ongoing, and we're supposed to be finishing in December this year. But we have an extension up to June. So in case of anything, the completion time would be next year, June. Latest next year, June.
Latest next year, June.
Yes.
How many units there in?
210 in the compound. We have got 3 blocks. We have got 2 blocks on that side we have got 2 blocks having 4 units per floor, and the first block having 7 units per floor. All of them being 6 are 1 bedrooms in the first block and 1 2-bedroom. For the 2 blocks on this side, all of them are 2 bedrooms. Yes.
So in Siaya Park Apartments, let's talk about the amenities in this place. If
Yes.
an investor wanted to buy a unit
Yes.
from Siaya Park Apartments,
Yes.
why would you advise an investor to purchase an apartment here?
You see, we'll talk about investment. The thing that investors are looking at, they're keen on the return on investment. And now for here, you are guaranteed of returning back your investment the next 10 years. And I will tell you how, if you may allow me. So now, if you're going to invest in Siaya Park Apartments, because now you're selling at 9 million, but I'm going to give you a massive discount because now we're doing this on Lolo TV. I'm going to give your viewers a massive discount. And giving you that massive discount, on that price I'm going to give you, you are able to return, you're able to recoup back your investment that you had put in this property in the next 10 years. And that is a good investment. It's a very good investment. And the reason why I also advise them to invest here is because you are looking at a higher rental. Because you see, for the 1 bedroom, in fact, for the 1 bedroom, you're going to get 65,000 per month.
65,000 per month, that's on rent?
That's on rent, yes. You haven't furnished yet.
All right, and the buying price?
And the buying price is 9 million.
9 million.
Yes, asking 9 million, but we can negotiate it down. Yes. And if you do your calculation well, you get to see that in the next 10 years, you can get back your money. Yes, so it has a good high return on investment. Yes.
So 1 bedroom for 65,000 a month. How about the 2-bedroom apartment?
The 2 bedrooms have got 4 types of, that's a good question. The 2 bedrooms have got 4 types of 2-bedroom. That is, there is 94 meter square, 95 meter square, 110 meter square where we are right now, and we've got 114 meter square.
For the 2 bedrooms?
For the 2 bedrooms. So all of them will give you a different, they'll vary in terms of rental, right? But then again, you're looking at not lower than 70,000 for the smallest one. So moving forward, could be 85 for the highest one, which is also good. Yeah.
And the number of units, the pricing? I know that's the elephant.
Now, a good question.
Yeah.
Now, can I just break it down for them from the 1 bedroom? Now, from the 1 bedroom, which is 79 meter square, one of the biggest 1 bedrooms in the market right now, and you're asking 9 million. You're asking 9 million, but we can bring it down, courtesy of Lolo TV, we can bring it down. Then again, moving to the 2 bedroom, that is the smallest 2 bedrooms, 94 meter square. We are asking 94 and 95 meter square have a similar pricing. That is 10 million, but we can bring it down, right? Okay, we have got, let me just sit comfortably now. sorry.
It's okay.
So we have got 1 and 2. Now for the 1 bedroom, that is 79 meter square, one of the biggest in the market and the slickest, right? So the 1 bedroom is going for 9 million. For the 2 bedrooms, that is 94 and 95, have got the same pricing. that you're asking 11 million, but we can bring it down, courtesy of Lolo TV. Moving to the next 2 bedrooms, 110 where we are right now, we're asking 12, but we can also bring it down.
Well, with how many meters square?
No, 110.
110.
110. Now the bigger one, which is 114, which is on the other side, we're asking 13 million, but we can also bring it down. Yes.
Courtesy of Lolo TV.
Lolo TV, yes. We're going to give you a massive, just give me a buzz. Tell me you're from Lolo TV, I'm going to give you a massive discount. And we're going to give a massive discount because you have been watching Lolo TV, and this one is for you.
And I must tell you, Boris, you have added fans on Lolo TV. By
Oh my, serious?
Yeah, they normally send us some text messages. The text messages via our WhatsApp number on top of the screen right now.
Yeah.
So you can leave Realty some comments down there. We'll share with him.
Yeah.
Anyway, Realty, let's talk about the amenities. Let's start with the amenities at this place before we indulge in the social amenities.
Okay, now, a good question. Now, we have all the amenities in this project, starting from the swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, rooftop deck. There's a lot that this apartment is offering. It has got all the standard amenities that all apartments should have. From the swimming pool, elevated. We've got a gym that's going to be central in the atrium. We also have got a rooftop deck on top. You can just go on top there and relax. Then again, around the gym, that is around the gym in the atrium, is going to be a sky garden. For you can just go there, chill, relax, have fun. Yes.
How about the social amenities?
Social amenities is here. You're very close to Kasuku Center. You can just walk Kasuku Center. No, down here.
Okay.
You can as well just move to areas like, you can move up here to Quickmart supermarket. Violet is just close to us. Lavington is just 5 minutes from here. You can move to Yaya here. If you are fond of going to Yaya, you can just go to your center, enjoy yourself, relax, walk around, So those are social amenities that are close to this property.
So you're saying it's at a prime place?
It's in a prime place, and for me, it's not only the location, but the workmanship of the project. Right now in the market, it's the only project that is, the workmanship is top-notch, and the price is fairly priced. Yeah.
Somebody would ask about service charge.
Yeah, for the service charge, you're looking at 8,500 shillings. Per month, yes, for this project.
And that will service
the gym, will service the gym, will service the lifts, will service the painting, cleaning of the common areas, security, everything. Yes.
See about security, Boris.
Yes.
What are some of the security features that are in Siamba apartment?
A good question. Just straight to, if you can see, I think through our video guys will show us, they show them the intercoms. Okay. So the intercom also helps you to know who is at the gate. Maybe you can communicate with the guards at the gate, tell you, okay, there's somebody who's come to see you, and therefore we can even see them from the intercom through a video, right? You can even write a text. So another feature for security is that on the door, you can easily just peep and get to see who is knocking your door or who was just pressed your bell, right? Also on that floor, in each and every floor, we have cameras just to track who is moving on the,
The CCTV.
Yeah, exact CCTV cameras just to track on who is moving on the floors, right? And then again, also guaranteeing you also security. Also at the gate, also you're going also to put a very serious company to help us also man the gate. Yes, and also remember this area is a UN certified. That is a blue zone also, right? Okay. So therefore, it's well secured. The UN residents can also stay here. Just to us also here, we have got projects that are done, and the UN employees are staying. So it shows also the area is well secured. Yeah.
Just before you take a short break.
Before I proceed, down here is a police station, Kilosha police station. So very secure.
Yeah,
yes.
So
Sorry.
Very secure.
Sorry for cutting you. Anyway, continue.
It's okay. I was saying just before you take a short break and just look into this nice show house.
Yes.
Let's talk about the unique features in this house. What are some of the unique features that you want to speak about before we go see them?
For me, I've been selling for a while, and I know a gold mine when I see it in a project. The unique features in this unit, I like the open layout of this setup. It's an open layout, and you don't find these most places. And then again, if you look at the workmanship, look at the tile that has been used here. It's a non-slip ceramic tile that you don't find wooden-like. You don't find in many apartments. Many apartments do shortcuts, and they won't find such kind of a tile. How do you see it? It's very beautiful, right?
Nice, yeah.
It's very beautiful. Then again, if you look at it above, you will see that the gypsum is well done, quality, top of the line.
And the gypsum comes with every unit.
It comes in every unit, comes the way it is.
Nice.
But the chandelier is not part of this unit.
Okay.
Yes. So then again, if you move to the kitchen, as you can see, that kitchen.
Nice view I can see.
Yeah, that kitchen is so nice. The lighting is well done. Natural light is too much, is good. And then again, look at the kitchen cabinetry and the drawers. I like the color comporting. The color comports well with the floor. You see, it shows you that also the person who did the deck of this house, the interior, was very artistic. Look at the colors of the rustic antique colors of the cabinetry and the floor. It matches very nicely. But then again, it doesn't come with the kitchen appliances.
Yeah.
The extractor, the hob, and the oven is not part of this unit. But then again, if you want it to come with those appliances, they can organize for you.
They can tailor-make for you in a way.
Exactly. So I can proceed as well. Can I proceed?
Now let's just take a break.
Okay.
After the break, we'll come and show them and take them through this show house.
No problem. That's okay. That's okay.
And with that note, we're taking a short break. After this break, we'll be taking you around this beautiful show house with the realty
Boris himself.
Keep it Lolwe TV.
Oh my.
Welcome back. If you're joining us, this is the LTN's Property Show, and I have Realty Boris with us today, and we're featuring Siaya Park Apartments that's located in Kileleshwa. Now we are the show house, and Realty will just take us through this beautiful show house. Maybe you can just take it from there.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sharon. And I like your dress, looking good today.
Thank you.
Now look at this. We are in Kileleshwa, and this property, I just like the space in the lounge. The lounge is almost 40 meters square that could fit a studio. But this space, all of it is for you, just for the lounge itself. But remember, the house also comes with this.
Initially every unit.
Yeah, every unit comes with this beautiful tiling on the wall. I don't know, this stone, nice tiling on the wall, just to beautify the space. For me, this one is very nice.
It is. In fact, there's even no need of putting much decals on the wall.
Exactly. So this beautifies the wall, the plain wall, and it breaks the cream and the beige monotonous look of the wall, right? Yeah. So then again, also it comes also with these beautiful gypsum LED lights over there, very sharp and masculine. I love the look of the gypsum.
Even me too. It makes the room. It accentuates.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
room.
very true.
Yeah.
It adds the beauty of. It beautifies the place. So look at that floor to ceiling window. Just what I would like to come to the lounge. And again, remember, get also on the floor. You're seeing these beautiful wooden like ceramic tiles that also is non-slip. It doesn't. You cannot fall while walking. It doesn't slip.
Okay.
Yes, which is a plus for me. Yes. What do you love about this place?
I think I love. Okay, about the living room.
Yes.
I love the wall. I love the floors
Yes.
because it matches everything.
Yeah.
And I tend to believe the floor is that type of floor that is warm. How is it called? I don't know.
It's not laminate. This is a tile. Yeah, it's a tile.
It's a tile.
It's a tile.
It
Yeah.
doesn't look like a tile, by the way.
It is a tile. Many
so
clients,
beautiful.
even when I bring clients to the property, they always think that it's wooden, but it's not wooden. Yes, this for me is beautiful.
It is.
Yes.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
And the room is spacious enough.
Very spacious, and then again, in between the lounge and the dining, there's also massive space in between to allow us to just move as you're going to the bedrooms, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Space is of much importance in this unit. Yes.
And I must say, it's a modern kind of.
Yeah, it's a modern kind of layout. Look at that kind of, this New York style. The kitchen over there, dining over here, and lounge this side. So it's a well placed and well designed space. Yes.
So take us through the kitchen.
Before you go to the kitchen, look at the door.
Yeah.
I like the color of the door. It has got almost 13 locks all the way through, and then again you can see somebody from here on the outside.
This is what you are talking
I'll
about.
talk
The
about.
security
Yes,
features.
yes. And also the intercom here as well, right?
Just see that.
Yeah, they can see this is also the intercom here as well. So you can easily call, you can video, you can text somebody at the gate. It comes with this shoe rack.
Nice.
Yeah.
I didn't even think this was a shoe rack.
It is a shoe rack. You just can't put your shoes here. It is a shoe rack.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shoe rack, yes. So let's move into
My favorite place in the house,
the kitchen. Yes. Look at this.
Take us.
Your dining seats here. For me, I feel like the kitchen and the dining has got a lot of space to move around. So you cannot even injure yourself moving around. There's a lot of space you can just move around.
Very true, because I tend to believe even if you have a very big dining set,
Yeah.
it will fit.
It won't
Let's
fit
say
because there's more.
eight-seater.
Yeah, because there's more space in behind behind the dining on that side and also this side. Yes, a lot of space.
Yeah.
For me, you know, I wish I could take you around. We have gone around with you. You have seen projects,
Very
and you can attest to your viewers that this one is out of this world. The finishing is so beautiful, clean, sleek, and one of the best in the market.
I love everything.
Yes.
In fact, speaking about the finishings,
Yes.
let's talk about this type of finishing. Look at this
Yes.
type of wood.
This one is very nice. You know, it's just not the finishing. Also, it comports nicely with the floor. You see, now, therefore, when you bring the white granite, also it breaks the monotony. So therefore, there's a uniform color for the tile and the cabinetry.
It was well thought about.
Exactly.
with
That
the
is
interior
artistic. That is artistic. I like it. Then I can also look at the backsplash. The backsplash, very nice tile. So
Yeah.
you see the grains of the gray of this tile and the white of the granite.
It matches.
That is beautiful. It just beautifies this place for me. I love it. I don't know about you.
I do. In fact, the next thing I love is this window.
Yes.
That I believe brings in massive light
Yes.
into the house.
Exactly.
Yeah. it also augurs well with the.
Yeah.
How do you call it?
Floor to ceiling windows. Floor to ceiling windows. So
Yeah.
we get double-sided lighting to the space, but not just lighting, natural lighting. Yes.
Yeah.
Which
I
is a
think
good
it's a
thing.
plus.
It is a
It's a
it is a plus. Then again, look at this. You have a mini pantry here. This is a mini pantry. There's more space down here. There is more space on top.
Yeah.
For me, if I was to invest, I would take my phone and call Boris right away.
Give your unit.
Yeah, exactly. So,
Boris.
yes.
That's so nice. Another thing I've noticed, this. Does it come with every unit?
No, it doesn't come with these kitchen appliances. But then again, if you want, they can organize for you at your own cost.
Nice.
Yes.
But again, the reason why we normally have show houses or showrooms is just to give you as an investor an idea on how you'd want to plan your house.
Exactly.
Like for instance, this thing, I don't know how it's called.
This
in
one is an
English.
extractor or
Yeah.
a wood.
Yeah.
This one is a hob or a cooker or a stove. It's a 4-burner. It's a 4-burner, and this one it uses gas.
Yeah.
So therefore, if you look at inside here, you can just put your cylinder and just connect direct to your cooker or the stove or the hob. And remember, I don't want to shout out the company that is the finishing the kitchen appliances.
Yeah.
I would like to market them.
But the reason I was advocating for the extractor, like you said, so that when you're cooking, because this is an open plan kitchen.
Yes.
When you're cooking, let's say chapati.
Yes.
When somebody's at the living room.
Yes.
They won't know that you're cooking chapati.
They won't know you're cooking chapati because now
Yeah.
this one sucks all this fume, all the smell into the extractor.
Yeah.
So therefore, people can just sit comfortably on that side.
Yeah.
So you don't have that the smell doesn't move to the other side of the house, which is a good thing. Modernity at its best.
For me, this is a plus.
It's a plus.
Connect with Realty Boris to hook you up.
Anytime.
Yes.
So now straight on over there, there's a space for us to do our laundry, as you can see. And also on top there, we are going to mount a water heating system. We haven't mounted it yet. It's on the way coming. So we'll put it over there. You do your laundry here. Then you ask me, Realty Boris, where are we going to air our clothes? Now, the idea of this project was a modern idea, whereby we don't have to have space for you guys to air your clothes inside. But then again, you can just do a dryer that could dry your clothes. Or if you feel like you can't manage buying a dryer, there's more space on top for you to air your clothes.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
That's where the idea came from. That's what I'm saying is the New York design of a house.
New York design.
New York design, yes.
I'm yet to explore more designs coming forward. Anyway, from there we'll head to the bedrooms and we'll want to showcase you. Remember, these are 3 bedrooms.
This one is a 2-bedroom
bedroom.
and a 110 square, and we're asking 12 million.
12 million.
Yes.
But they can ongea na kando, yeah?
They can just talk to me and I can give them a massive discount courtesy of Lolo TV right now. Just right now. Give me a call. Before we move to the bedroom, I'd like just to clarify a few things. Let me just move this suit and then show you what we have. The beautiful.
It's about to get down.
Exactly. Let's go now to the bedrooms now. Now,
All right.
in the bedrooms, we have 2 bedrooms this side, and it's only master and suite. So the other bedroom shares the visitors. Yes. So just follow us in the bedrooms. Yes.
Okay. So we're starting with the visitors' bedroom.
Yeah, we start the visitors' bedroom.
Nice.
This one is the bedroom.
Nice.
It's not that small. It's spacious for me. For like this size of a bed can fit comfortably. And even 4 by 6 can fit. These are
Even
5 by 6 can fit.
By 6
can fit, yeah, because there's more space on that
yeah.
side. Yes. So now, this bedroom, if you look at the difference, the bedroom tile or the bedroom floor is different with the common tile in the house.
Nice.
So
I
therefore,
hadn't noticed that.
exactly, this is wooden. It's a wooden floor, but it's a bit glossy. Yeah. Then again, also it comes with this nice closet over here, just to put your stuff. Also, on that side, there's a lot of space for you to put your stuff. For me, what I love again about this room is the lighting. You know, the room is well lit.
In fact, the windows,
you can even
even the
switch
windows
off
are
the
lit.
lights for them to get to see how
Nice.
naturally it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very, very,
Yes.
very well lit.
Yes.
So I was talking about the massive windows. Look
Yes.
at this. From here to here.
Up to this side, just bring light into the small bedroom. Could be a guest bedroom, could be a girl's bedroom, could be a kid's bedroom, whichever. It's you to decide.
It's upon your
It's upon you to decide.
as your family.
Yes.
And how about the units, the cupboards?
It comes with this nice closet. I like the finishing also. You see, if you look at the details, right? Just look at the gypsum. Look at that gypsum. Details flowing down. You see, just it's clean. And this is how you find your house that you bought here. Details. We don't compromise on details. Details. Yes.
And another thing I can add about storages in
Yes.
the bedroom.
Yes.
Not many bedrooms comes with this.
Yeah,
Apart
not-
from the
closet itself.
Closet,
Yes.
not many rooms comes with this.
Exactly. So this one is a plus. It comes with also more shelves for you to put your clothes. You can just fold them.
Even
and
shoes.
put- even shoes. So going down here, there's more drawers for you to put your perfume, your I don't know, lipstick and everything. Put them down there. Yes.
And this, so this is the visitor's room.
The visitor's bedroom or the kids' bedroom. But then again, let me show you something. Let's go inside the washroom. Look at this
This
washroom.
is big.
This is just a grand washroom.
What?
This is a grand washroom. Look at all this space. All this space. You can even fit here 3 of us comfortably, Sharon. Then again, go just here. Look at this beautiful toilet. I just love it. But remember, I don't only love this one. But then again, if you look at the tiling that flows to the ceiling to the floor, it breaks the monotonous grey, the grey, cracky look of these emerald tiles. Yes.
I love the concept.
Exactly.
The designer came up with.
Yes. So you see, it's just not a grey, cracky emerald tile on the wall, but also about this beautiful tile from floor to ceiling, just to break the monotonous grey color. Yes.
And I have to admit, even if it's not on camera, I feel this room looks even bigger than
Yes.
it is in camera.
If you can expand your hands like this, it shows it's very spacious.
It is.
Exactly.
And then plus I love the washrooms that comes with the mirrors.
Yeah, the mirror
Like
also.
ladies.
Yeah, I like also the details on the mirror. This is an MDF board, and I like how clean it has been done. So look at the sink, very massive sink. You don't find this in many apartments. This is a plus for me. I like, and then I can just open. You've not yet fixed. Yeah, because it's still under construction. So you can open, close, and it can give you service. You can even do hot or cold water. Yes.
And then there's the storage is down there.
Yeah, more storage down here. You can just put the stuff down there. We haven't finished this point, but we get to see when you're done.
We're getting to see.
Yes.
And I hope we're proceeding to the master room.
You're going to the master bedroom, but remember, this washroom also works as the powder room for the visitors who would like to access it directly.
So it can be accessed from the bedroom?
From the bedroom and the lounge. So it works like a Jack and Jill washroom.
Jack and Jill washroom.
Yeah, exactly.
I love how you're mentioning Jack and Jill, considering Jill is my name.
Oh, Jill your name?
Jill is my
Oh,
name.
nice. So now, this one is our master bedroom.
Nice.
Look at the light.
I do love everything about this place.
Yes.
Most of the windows,
Yes.
to me, in
Yes.
each and every house, if I was an investor,
Yeah.
it's this, the natural lighting.
Natural lighting. The floor, not even floor, but you see that mid-height windows, they bring a lot of light into the bedroom. Look at this. It's not a matter of how big is the house. But then again, this one is ideal for those who want to do investment, right? Those who want to do maybe Airbnbs could fit here comfortably. Most of our buyers who are bought here are the ones who want to invest. Maybe that's what I want to invest in, about this one for investment. They want to do Airbnbs, you know. Yes.
But again, Boris, I tend to believe it's not about the size of the room that matters.
Yes.
At times it depends with how you plan the room
Exactly.
and how you put your things in the room.
Exactly. How you organize the space.
How you organize the space.
It just goes on how you understand house layout, you know, just how you organize the space. It may look bigger. But if you don't know how to organize it, it may look smaller. Yes.
So the bedroom again with it comes with the gypsum.
It comes with gypsum and LED lights, you know, two of them just to lighten the bedroom, the bed location. But also on that side, we've got that nice, well done closet, and it's very clean. I also like the skirting down there. The skirting also just breaks the brown color or the wooden color of the wood down there. I love it. I just love this unit. And then again, if you look at that, you look at the door color, the beige on the wall, and the shelves color. It just matches.
Nice. I see
And
what
that
you
is
did
how,
there.
yeah, that is how your house is going to look like.
It
Yes.
looks beautiful.
Very
I have
beautiful.
to admit, even the floor, the flooring, it's so beautiful.
Super, yes?
Super nice.
Super, yes. It's very nice. So now, let me just take them into the master washroom.
Oh, I
Yes.
was almost forgetting. So this is all ensuite?
It's master ensuite. The visitors shares with the visitor. That bedroom shares the visitors. So you can either put the kids or a visitor. But again, I remember we've got 1.5. So it means only one room is ensuite.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let's go to the washroom.
And this is the washroom. Look at this washroom. Very spacious. I'm telling you, you will walk in Kileleshwa, Lavington, Kilimani. You won't find a one bedroom of this finishing, this kind of size, with this pricing. I'm not lying to you. The cheaper it is, also the higher chances you're getting in terms of lower workmanship. But now look at this one. The price is fairly priced, and trust me, through Lolo TV, I'm giving them a massive discount. Let them give me a buzz.
Just remind them about the flooring, how much it was.
Which one?
This was the unit where we are at.
Oh, this.
Someone might be interested in that space is nice for me.
Now this unit is 110 meters square, and we're asking only 12 million, and we can negotiate it down. Lolo TV. Yes.
Thanks, Boris, for taking us through this beautiful show house.
Yes.
And as we concluding,
Yes.
your last or your parting shot
Yes.
to our LTN viewers.
Yes.
And your added fans.
Now,
For that matter.
what I tell them is that sorry, we haven't organized a lot of tours with Lolo TV Team Sharon, but we are trying to work on more, get to show you more, take you around, show you what we have in these areas. But what I like to tell them also is that if you miss out on this one, you won't find another product that is well done, workmanship, top of the line, fairly priced in Kileleshwa. This one is the only one, and you better come so fast and do a 25% deposit to book this unit. I'm going to give you also a flexible payment plan all the way up to June. So you can give me a buzz on my number. Should I mention my number?
Please do.
My number is +254 707 934097. Can I repeat?
Please.
That is +254 707 934097. And again, I would like to thank them so much for just watching us and going around with us.
Yeah.
It's an honor, and thank you so much Back to you, Sharon.
Thank you so much, Boris.
Yes.
You didn't normally make my days when you have to do some shootings.
Yes.
But again, I thank you so much. We
You-
put the numbers
you're
on the screen.
Yes.
To our investors or the investors outside there,
Yes.
you can reach out to Realty Boris.
Yes.
Remember, you can even repeat to them the type of properties you are into.
Yeah, I'm into contemporary. I'm into modern, contemporary, either apartments, townhouses. I don't sell land, but I only sell developed real estate. That means you can buy Kipsuru, Lavington, Kileleshwa, Kilimani, Runda, Karen. Soon we'll be taking them to Karen.
Okay.
We'll go to Kisumu with you. We'll take you around, let them see the places, these beautiful places. But then again, this is the right time to invest. Let them come so fast and let's invest with them in this property.
All right, thank you so much, Boris.
Yes.
And with that marks the end of today's property show. I hope you enjoyed us taking you around through this beautiful show house. See you again next week, same time, same place. Keep it Lolo TV.
Bye-bye.